It's been 6 months in the making. A brand new mobile software solves the problem of slow web loading time, confusing editing interfaces, and limited agency features. A new way of creating funnels that allows you, for the very first time ever, to build world-class funnels from your computer, tablet, or even from your mobile device. A single sleek solution that now makes it possible for anyone around the world to create conversion-focused pages that get results. Available today with upgraded agency license for this one-time loan special. Welcome to the future. Welcome to MobilePages Agency. Because of COVID, businesses are now desperate to sell on the internet. And they need a solution to help them to ensure they make the most of their mobile visitors' traffic. What we've created is a solution for those businesses. Sleek, gorgeous mobile responsive pages that load lightning fast. And are accompanied wide range of incredible features. Mobile optimized designs that is guaranteed to convert, now possible to build in just minutes. Optimized for webinar registration pages. Landing pages that generate leads, multi-page websites, deep sales funnels, and product showcases. Including a revolutionary QR code system that now allows companies to add QR code system to their doors, menu, or anywhere they like. They automatically capture people that walks to their business as leads. Offer special discounts, showcase to them their products being sold, and redirect the visitors to the mobile optimized website within just one click. And attach a mobile website to any current business website. A business can attach one of these mobile optimized websites, so that any mobile traffic could be redirected to it. This is perfect for mobile advertising campaigns or visitors to the business who are carrying mobile devices. And here is the best part of this. You can profit connecting this brand new solution with a business. Even get paid $997 for every website you create for business. You can build this website in minutes, all from your mobile device, tablet, or laptop. All in 3 easy steps. Step number 1, log in into the software and select one of our 5 templates. Step number 2, use our incredible and sure builder editor to customize your mobile design as you want it to be. Choosing from a wide range of amazing elements, fonts, and features. Automatically apply changes across your entire mobile website. Add menus, photos, videos, forms, and more. And you can see a preview live as you build that. Step number 3, then you can instantly publish your website any custom domain. Get paid immediately by businesses offering a service they desperately need. This is already an incredible software. It is going to save you and businesses hours of time and helps you make more money. Included with agency license, you're going to get 3 amazing features to help you scale the solution fast and help more businesses. Making more money because you got in on this deal early. These include full agency dashboard. You can add and manage clients with haste. And sub-user system, you can use to add sources and scale your business. As well as the ability to adjust the language of your account to the language of your choice. Apart from the general bonuses, if you buy MobilePages Agency today through the link below, you will get a free access to Instant Agency. Instant Agency is a cloud-based software that enables you to find unlimited local business leads that desperately need your services in 3 easy steps without paid ads. Find unlimited local business leads that need your services. Done for you email campaigns to pitch and sell your services. Send unlimited email to your clients. Built-in client calendar. Plus an built-in stunning agency site builder. Get access to MobilePages Agency now.